Hello guys! Today we are going to talk about two important vowel sounds. Those are U and O, that is a diphthong. Okay, we are going to start with the vowel sound U. To pronounce this vowel sound, your lips have to be tense and in a whistling position. The jaw almost completely raised and your tongue high, near to the roof of the mouth. Possible pronunciation problems with this sound. Pronunciation problems occur because of the confusing English spelling patterns and the similarity of U and U, U and U. When you substitute U for U, pool becomes Paul and should becomes sod. Your lips should be tense and in a whistling position, as I already said. When you say U, U is a long sound, so be sure to prolong it. You can do it if you remember to protrude your lips when you producing U. You will never confuse Paul with pool, Paul with pool. Now I'm going to present some samples of the vowel sound U in the middle of words. Food, group, ruler, truth, pool, room, and gross. Now the vowel sound U at the end of words. Do, shoe, through, flew, shoe, and you. Remember, the vowel sound U does not occur at the beginning of words in English. Now, less frequent spelling patterns for U consist of the letter UI, OU, OE, IEU, and OUGH. Examples: fruit, group, shoe, and thaw. Hint: the letters OO followed by L, M, or N are usually pronounced U. Examples: stool, boom, moon. When the letter U follows T, D, N, or S, some Americans pronounce it U. Examples: Tuesday, duty, new, and should. When speaking English, international students frequently forget to prolong the U vowel before consonant. Now let's talk about the vowel sound O. To pronounce this vowel sound, put your lips tense and very rounded. Raise your jaw with the tongue and close slightly, and glide the tongue from middle level to near the roof of the mouth. O is a diphthong. A diphthong is a compound vowel sound by blending two vowels together very quickly. The diphthong O begins with an O and ends with an U. Possible pronunciation problems. Once again, pronunciation problems with these sounds occur because of confusing English spelling patterns and the similarities of other vowel sounds. Examples: if you say O instead of O, coat will sound like coat. And if you say A instead of O, bald will sound like bald. And if you say A instead of O, note will sound like not. O at the end of words. Examples: go, no, so, ago, snow, hello, thaw. Hint. When O is syllable ending in silent E, the letter O is pronounced O, the same as the name of the alphabet letter O. Examples: phone, note, home, robe. The letters O, A, usually pronounced O. Examples: cold, boat, roasting, toaster. The letter O followed by ID is usually pronounced O. Examples: cold, old, soldier, told. When speaking English, many international students frequently forget to prolong the diphthong O. So, be sure to prolong it.